Good morning, market snappers. Welcome back. This is Jesse. We're getting started right at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, right on the dot as usual. Here we go. This is our 17th consecutive live stream today. Is it? Yeah, today is our 17th because I can't remember what I put in the scrolling banner earlier. So yeah, 17th consecutive live stream. Our best was when we first started back in September. We had 75 consecutive live streams. So, but 17 is pretty good. I can't remember what our second longest is, like 23 or 20 something probably. But here we are, 17. Barring childbirth here in the next couple of weeks. Don't have any plans to be out of town to miss any of the live streams. So we'll continue. We'll continue to keep going here. Just want to say good morning to everyone. Some of you, it's good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. And if you're new to the channel, awesome. Welcome. The first half of the live stream, we're going to go through Bitcoin, then the altcoins, indices, probably the Magnificent Seven, any other stocks or crypto assets that jump out at us. We're definitely going to cover the Bitcoin mining stocks that we've been waiting for a breakout, watching buy signals, all that stuff, and they're all pumping hard today. So the options and the stock are looking pretty good today. So we're going to get into all that, and then the second half of the live stream we'll cover your chart requests. So make sure, if you're new, if you're not new and you're returning, you already know what to do. But if you're new, just make sure to put in the ticker symbol and let me know all the details. Is it crypto? Is it stock? Is it, are you long? Are you short? All that stuff. Waiting patiently, because that way I can search for it very quickly, keep the live stream going. None of this is scripted. Oop, just hit the fancy feet are going. The wife calls them fancy feet. And I just knocked the table. So gotta keep the mouse in my hand. Let's keep going. So all the details, ticker symbol, all that. Early bird gets a worm. If you're putting in the requests late, probably won't get to it all today. But yeah, we'll start covering them all. Okay. Yep. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone from Southern California. Yep. Shooter, by the way, longtime market sniper. Lawrence, welcome back. Yep. Sure. Yeah, not doing much today. Down like 1.5%. We've been covering it, so it's still bullish over there. Not much really to report on it. So yesterday, let's jump right into it. And if you're returning to the live stream, awesome, even better. Good to see you back on here. Make sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Help me, help you, help me, and let's get this rock and roll. So yesterday, Bitcoin, quick recap, had a sell signal, right? I posted in Discord a potential retracement target, and it was nailed, right? The retracement target was nailed, and now it seems to bounce off of that. And I reposted the update of that chart, and there was two major reasons why price could retrace back to the 66,000. Just call it 100-ish, right? $66,073. There's two major reasons why, and they lined up perfectly, and that's what we like to see. And then looks like, as of right now, it looks like it found support, and it could be reversing back up with another buy signal. Keeping in mind that the weekly chart is ultra bullish, the 2-week chart is ultra bullish, and the monthly chart is ultra bullish, right? So what that means to me is that it's still the buy the dip season, right? So I posted earlier on the Twitter X app, I said we're still not out of the woods, but we're still in an uptrend, and the weekly, monthly, and the 2-week chart are still ultra bullish. So any type of sell or retracement coming back to a key target area is still a buy the dip scenario, in my own personal opinion. So I had this on based off of the weekly chart, so we'll show you what I mean over here. Just pointing out that once the candle is lit orange, it's sometimes when the magic happens. Then the candle was lit orange again, sometimes when the magic happens. The candle was lit again at the close of last week on Sunday. It was pending orange on here we go. Always messing with the mic. It was pending orange on this candle. Did not close that way. Was pending orange, pending flashing orange candle. The previous week didn't close that way, and then closed orange. Right. So closed orange. It's a very positive sign, very bullish sign. And then this week, what do we always talk about? We talk about it time and time and time again. The reason I'm bringing this up because there's so many comments that are like, "Oh, you just said it was ultra bullish on the weekly chart." When I posted a sell signal on the daily chart, each chart tells a different story, right? So shorter term, yeah, it was a sell. Looks like it found support at a key target area on the retracement, while the higher time frames are ultra bullish, right? So, and another confluence is that key target area just so happens to come back to the weekly chart trending dots, right? So came all the way back down. It's not how the candle starts, it's how the candle closes, right? So created this big wick, could finish. It's still a lot of time. We're not even halfway through the weekly candle yet, so a lot could happen. But if we're to close here or higher, that's a very bullish move, right? It means that the wicks, it's creating a wick and then closing bullish, right? That's a very same like back here. There was a big wick created, closed all the way back up here, came back down, was looking like it's finding support, starting to get back above the trending dots. Still in a longer term upward trend, still ultra bullish on the weekly chart, the 2-week chart, and this would be the highest 2-week. If it were to close right now, right? It closes on Sunday, my time. If we were to close anything above 69,400-ish, which it is right now, that is the highest 2-week candle close ever, right? Taking out this highest close in March. It's very bullish. Monthly chart still has some room to go. Weekly chart has some room to go. And of course, the daily chart was at 73,100. But the 2-week chart would be the highest 2-week candle close ever. Still ultra bullish. It's still uptrend. Still uptrend. So, when can you please Cardano Alt USD? I'm looking for. Yep. Can you check Rose? Sure. So there we go. That's Bitcoin. Still in uptrend. It's still buy the dip season, in my own personal opinion. And it's been buy the dip season since the first major buy was back in January 4th. And the first weekly buy was January 11th, 2023. Not 2024, 2023. We had covered it for 2 months before that in the Discord, a little bit on the Twitter X app. We covered it a lot in the Discord, November and December, that there was longer term bullish divergence. Looked like it was a wedge, could be breaking out of the wedge. Had the first initial target set at 28,000, then the 200 week and the 200 week moving average, all that stuff. So here we are. Bitcoin is hovering right around $70,000, still consolidating underneath all-time highs over here from March. It's still bullish, right? It's still bullish. I don't know how many more times I can say it. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Obviously, this is for educational purposes only, and hopefully we'll find some entertainment along the way, making fun of me. Let's go. Let's see. That was all right. So that's Bitcoin. What else? Should we just keep going down the list, right? Keep going down the list. Yeah, let's do that. Ethereum came back down. Most likely this is, you got target 1, 2, maybe 3 targets similar to Bitcoin. Came back down to the retracement target. Maybe that's all that is. We don't know yet, but higher probability obviously is going to be breaking back above over there, similar to over here. So maybe it takes a little bit of time. Let's Bitcoin lead the way, do its thing, and then maybe Ethereum kind of breaks out after that. So we'll see how it plays out. But there was a sell signal, and it's a pending buy signal. But what's a little bit different on Ethereum is it's still below the red trending dots. Doesn't mean it couldn't get back above. Might just take a week or two for it to go. And of course, it could just go straight up like this, right? So we don't know. Solana, no pending buy signal yet, still below the trading dots. Chainlink, same thing, right? Same thing below the trading dots. It's pretty steep, but all of these look like they could be possibly reversal candles, right? So we'll continue to watch it. Sand, there's bullish divergence. We were pointing it out yesterday. There's bullish divergence on sand. There's bullish divergence on most of these altcoins. Is this bottom wick still the lowest wick? Possibly, right? Is this going to be the lowest daily candle close? Possibly, right? With that bullish divergence, seems like it could. So it's possible, right? You can kind of see what I'm pointing out here. It's picking up some bullish divergence here, but based off the settings I have, that's also bullish divergence, right? So those targets are still valid as of right now, in my own personal opinion. Filecoin, bullish divergence, maybe a slightly higher low, right? Maybe that's not even bullish divergence because you got the close here. Yeah, that's a possible slightly higher low, not even bullish divergence. So that's Filecoin. Near, we drew this out, right? If that's my number one option. That's what I thought. We drew this out back here. Could come back down to this target. It did. It hit the target, right? It hit the target. So we know that. We know. And kind of drew it out like this over the last few days. Come down, hit this target wherever it finds support, bounces, maybe puts in another higher low. Who knows how long it takes, but was thinking that it would find support. Of course, if it breaks down from this longer upward trend line, then that'd be something different, right? So it's a possibility, but I think it's less probable. G-Rod, good morning. Longtime market sniper. Good to see you on here. G-Rod. Probably got to keep this one a little bit shorter today. Probably won't go the full hour. Definitely won't flip the hat on backwards because our Sub-Zero fridge started making noise and rattling yesterday. Last night, I was like, what the hell is that? The dog was barking. And we just got groceries yesterday too. And so we got the service guy coming out here, seeing if it's an easy fix or, easy warranty fix over here. So hopefully it is. The temperature of the fridge has gone up from 36 to 40 degrees. So it's not good. Ice is starting to melt. So I got to deal with that after this. Or whenever they get here. They always give you like a 4-hour window and they come at the last minute. So probably be end of the day, right? So, but I'm gonna keep the live stream down in case they, call me or text me or whatever, and let me know that they're coming over, and I got to supervise that. So, chief dog walker over here in today will be chief fridge manager of the repair. Hopefully it's a warranty repair. Otherwise that'd be a pain in the butt if I had to get a whole new Sub-Zero fridge, right? I don't want that. It's just the inconvenience, right? Inconvenience. But if it's assuming it's warranty work, right, then they'll just want to fix it. Let's keep going. So that's near Rarible. No bullish divergence longer term. This the RSI took out the RSI pivot over here. Could be slight bullish divergence over here though. Yeah, usually they'll give a window of here where I'm at in Southern California. Usually they'll give a window on like a 4-hour window, and they usually hit the 4-hour window, but it's usually like late, right? But when it comes to the warranty up at our cabin that we had, we sold it, but the warranty that we had up in our Airbnb cabin rental, we had a fridge go out on a guest, and our cleaning and maintenance crew had to go out and buy a small fridge temporarily, and the maintenance guy on our brand new fridge was less than a year old. Came out and ruined the copper line. So it might have been an easy fix. He ruined the copper line, had to get a whole new fridge, took weeks, right? Weeks. So I can't do that when I had a bunch of Airbnb rental guests stacked up for the month. So I had to go out and just buy a new fridge. It was so annoying. So annoying. There we go. There we go. Can we check out? Sure. Okay, let's keep going. Enough fridge talk. Let's go. Dot is this? Let's see. That's additional bullish divergence as well, right? Additional bullish divergence on dot. We still have this upward arrow there. Those targets are still valid. It's based off that low wick over there. So we'll go from there. Still annoying though. Still annoying. So anyways, let's go. That's dot. Could be breaking out in the near future. This is additional bullish divergence too, right? Yep. Cardano. Yep. So let's take that off. So they still got to make higher lows, but they might break out, maybe come up, hit target 2, come back down, establish a higher low, and then maybe takes off after that. Mana. Yep. Bullish divergence over here, right? Covered it yesterday. Talked about it. Algo, Matic, Atom. They all start looking similar. SHIB, Doge, XRP, AVAX, right? Put that fractal out a long time ago. Maybe it plays out. Woo! Woo! Maybe it plays out. MicroStrategy could be breaking out again. Oh my gosh. It's up, down, all around. Still have those gaps, but still could be breaking out of this downward trend line over there. Had that last buy signal over here at 1265. Let's switch over to the indices. Wow. The NASDAQ is making new all-time highs. The daily candle has just flipped ultra bullish. Breaking news. It's good positive sign for possibly Bitcoin, right? Come on, Bitcoin. Let's do it. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Do it. Hey, time out. We gotta check something here real quick. Okay. Are we smashing the like button? Right? 5 people? Come on. 5 people. Smash it. Hit the repost button and throw in a quick little comment. It takes like 5 seconds. Come on. Now we have 6 likes. I'm helping people out. Helping me, helping people, helping me. Keep helping you, right? So there we go. And today is brought to you by Market Sniper Pro, our only affiliate link. Wait, that's not even an affiliate link. It's our own service, right? We got services over here, $29 a month. There was a short period of time where I put on a $9 option for just the Discord, but I ended up not wanting to manage it. So someone asked me about it because I removed it from the website. It was on the website for like a week and a half. And then I was like, I don't want to manage it. So I'm just going to leave it at $29 or $290 a year or $79 a month or $660 a year. That's a pretty big discount. It's a 30% plus discount by selecting the yearly plan. People seem to like it. $290. It's about a 17% savings, but it's already pretty cheap. So you save basically 2 months because people are asking me about discounts. I'm like, all right, that's fine. You can have a discount. We don't do like Black Friday discounts or anything. We just keep the price down low year round. Many people pay a lot more for a lot less, in my own personal opinion. And then you'll get access to like beta stuff that I'll be rolling out in the near future. Stay tuned. We rolled out the dashboard beta test, but I kind of put that on hold and was charging people $1 for that. And then I ended up making it free to everyone and canceling the $1 subscription to it. So there'll be a first to test. I got some potentially exciting news for the beta test, but maybe it'll be a month before I roll it out. Maybe it'd be 2 months. I don't know. It's been 2 years in the making. 2 years in the making. Woo-wee. All right, let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. Don't ask me about it. I'm not going to tell anyone about it. Don't ask me about it. Don't annoy me, please. Don't annoy me. I probably shouldn't even say anything. The reason why I don't talk about it is because people will. If I tell you what it is, it'll be like, when is it rolling out? When is it rolling out? When is it rolling out? When is it? I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. I'm a one-man operation over here. So weekly chart is bullish on the Nasdaq. Bullish version. Yes, Marja Mulder. Thank you. Man, I probably hacked up your name. I apologize. Likes are down. Quality keeps going up. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you for saying that. Good afternoon, Caesar. Welcome back. Sounds nice. Yep. Yep. Oh, I think this is who I think it is. I don't know. I can't remember. Can't remember all the Discord names. Okay, so Nasdaq, SP 500. We talked about it. Flipped ultra bullish on the weekly chart as well. It's still an uptrend, right? Still in a longer term uptrend. This is the ANF target 1. Dow Jones was somewhere in between. Is it a lower high or a higher low, right? Looks a little bit different. They're question marks because we don't know. So could be a possible higher low as well. It's somewhere in between. We already drew it out on previous live streams. We talked about maybe it kind of goes through this and then comes out like that, right? We already drew that out maybe a week ago or so. So we're going to leave it at that. We're going to leave it at that. Russell 2000. All right, there you go. Starting to flip back around on the daily chart. Could be the higher low. US 10-year yields dropping, right? Just dropping. Woo! So you got a high, a lower high over here. This would a close back below here confirms that lower high with a lower low. Dollar. Wow. I mean, look at that. That is crazy. Breakdown, wick all the way down to target 3, pushes all the way back up, and now it's breaking all the way back down. I'm not trading the DXY, but holy moly guacamole. VIX, perma bulls love to see VIX down here. If you're perma bull, you want to see the VIX down there, right? So there you go. Natural gas was getting ultra bullish. Potentially bearish divergence, potentially pending reversal candle. Closure with the reversal candle. When would now, if it closes with a reversal candle close, when would now be a good time to take profit? Possibly. I don't know. I don't give financial advice. Don't copy trade me. Bitcoin dominance. We talked about it. It's possible it puts in a lower high over here, right? Possible it puts in a lower high. We talked about it way back here. Let's switch over to the Magnificent Seven real quick, and then let's just look at the weekly charts on them. Let's just look at the weekly charts. Still ultra bullish on the weekly chart for NVIDIA. Meta still bullish on the weekly chart. Will it hit ANF target? ANF target over there. Amazon still bullish on the weekly chart. Microsoft making new all-time highs, still ultra bullish, hitting it's right in the ANF target 1. Tesla could be breaking out. Breaking news. The trending dots are green. We talked about that yesterday. Could be breaking out of this consolidation. Tesla this might have been the low. This might have been a higher macro low. Could be breaking out to the upside, up almost 5% today. Pending buy signal on the daily chart. While the weekly chart is starting to flip around, there was that bullish divergence, came all the way back up. Low, possible higher low scenario over here. Double wick bottom. Here we go. Tesla, all the Tesla lovers out there, maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in and breaking out on Tesla at 179. At least get a good rally, retest the 200-week moving average. We don't know. Yeah, the reason why is because I trade futures, right? And it will run So DJ, I mean, you could look at both, and sometimes I do look at both, like the QQQs or DJI or NDX, but I just pretty much just stick with the futures because it's basically trades 23 hours a day, right? Basically, I mean, it does trade 23 hours a day, unless it's like obviously it ends on Friday and comes back on Sunday, my time. So it's off Saturday and most of Sunday. But from Sunday till Friday, it trades 23 hours a day. So that's why, because otherwise, the DJI and others that I don't actually trade, I don't trade the stocks or options on those. If I'm trading NASDAQ, SP 500, Dow Jones, I'm trading on futures, right? I'm trading on futures um, since January 2023. Um, and it's much easier to trade than options, right? In my own personal opinion, it's much easier to trade than options because, yeah, there's contracts still, but there's not time decay, right? The time decay on options, and you got to pick the strike price, all that stuff. So, you don't have to do that with futures. So, anyways, that's why futures, 23 hours a day, and so you don't have to worry as much. There are still gaps, but you don't have to worry about it gapping up hard on stocks and stock options. So that's why. Ooh, can you do Val Q coin? What time is it? Yeah, maybe. Diego HB, sure. Welcome back. Tomorrow's a vote for Elon's package. Should have him. It's breaking out before the news, right? So it's breaking out way before the news. We've got bullish divergence way back here in April. We had short squeeze. We had potential higher lows. The weekly chart has been flipping around for weeks now. And now we have a pending buy signal breaking on this longer term downward trend line. So I'm not really paying attention to that. So whatever happens, people will say in hindsight. We're not the hindsight crew here. We're the foresight crew. We are the foresight crew. Oh, we're seeing bullish divergence, right? Well, usually price catches up to the divergences, right? So there we go. So, hey, that's my own personal opinion. News is hindsight. Divergences are foresight. So there we go. Apple, Apple just breaking out hard, right? Again, bullish divergence on Apple, similar to Tesla. Then had a buy signal on the weekly chart, and now it's ultra bullish on the weekly chart. Google, still bullish on the weekly chart. All right, let's flip back. I want to definitely cover the Bitcoin mining stocks are breaking out hard. I mean, they already broke out. We've already been covering it, but breaking out to the upside. HUT is up into target 2. Yes, I have options on HUT, and they're looking pretty good. I think it's even higher now from when I took a screenshot of that. And just the stock itself from this point here, I had taken the position back here on May 15th, maybe a little early, right? But I'm a little more aggressive, and just got to wait patiently for the move to play out, right? So uh took it back in here, and then posted this way back here, even on the buy signal at 880. And I was even in a little bit earlier than that, but I was in on that candle, and then another higher low, and then another higher low, and then now it's breaking back out. So I'm holding that. My options are good till October, middle of October. So I've got a lot of time. May or may not hold them that long. Like I said, time decay does kill you. So if it were to pump really hard like this, I'd probably be getting into closing those positions, especially with like reverse candles, stuff like that. But it seems like the overall trend could be going up, especially with Bitcoin, right? Buy signal over here on the weekly chart again. So we will see. We'll see how it plays out. But that's HUT. MIGI starting to make its move over here, up 18%. I don't have any options on this. I don't even think you can do options on MIGI. I'm pretty sure you can't. Not all of them have that option, that scenario, that ability, or at least my broker didn't. I don't think I have. I know I don't have options on it. I don't think you can do options on MIGI with my broker. So uh, both of the brokers. Uh, you don't even need it though. It's up 18%, right? Up 18%. Could be a low. We talked about this every single live stream. Could be a low, could be a higher low, could be a higher low, right? Last buy signal was over here at $1.20, $1.25, and these targets are still valid from this low over here at 85 cents, and it's coming back up in the target one. It's starting to look pretty good on MIGI. Let's go. Hive looking pretty good. This is a low, possible higher low, etc., etc. Hit target one, breaking through target one. Breaking news: we are going through target one. Breaking news, target one. Oh, we're already at 31 minutes. We got to keep going, Jesse. Let's go. We got a lot of requests. CLSK just in. Never came back down. To fill this gap over here at 1047. We were aware of it. It was breaking down. It was a possibility, and then it reverses back on you. So pending buy signal. This was the plan that was laid out, right? The next possible buy the dip scenario. You got longer term targets up here that could still be hit. CLSK. The weekly chart is still bullish. Still buy the dip season. Bitfarm had that bullish divergence. We talked about it. Hit target one, hit target two. Will it hit target three? Question mark. Will it hit shorter term target four? Question mark. This is longer term target up here. And then we've got longer term targets up there like that. Marathon Digital, buy signal yesterday, broke out the downward trend line, back above the trending dots. There we go. Riot, pending buy signal today, right? A low, possible higher low. We're going to make it ultra bullish, taking out this pivot point over here. Maybe, baby. Ooh, hopefully not for a couple more weeks. Hopefully not for a couple more weeks. Me and the wife were talking about it last night. It's like, oh, come on, not this weekend, not this weekend. She's getting close to 38 weeks. Hopefully not for a couple more weeks. We're not ready yet. We're not ready yet. I guess you'll never feel ready, right? I guess you'll never feel ready, but not feeling ready. I mean, we're prepared, but we're not ready. We don't feel ready. Wolf, ultra bullish. Iris Energy, ultra bullish. Weekly chart, ultra bullish. These are longer term targets on Iris Energy, leading the way, pumping hard. We were there for the last breakout. We are here now, and the last breakout buy signal, we talked about it. We covered it. Hit all the shorter term targets over here at 707. Flipped it from resistance into support back here. Another higher low, took off to the upside. What a beautiful scenario that was. Cypher mining, I mean, it played out exactly as what we could have hoped for. Breakout, hit all four short-term targets, flip it from resistance into support, and then took off to the upside. Cypher mining, right? So is Iris Energy leading the way for Bitcoin? Is it leading the way for all this stuff? Is Apple leading the way? I hope so. Let's see. Someone asked about PayPal. Yeah, I mean, pending sell signal on the daily chart, but still bullish on the weekly chart. Still talked about, going through, this bottoming phase, right? And then maybe just take some time to play out before it comes all the way back up. But you got the 200-week moving average up there, question mark. Gap over here, question mark. Target one, longer term target one, question mark. But yeah, it's still bullish on the daily chart. There is a pending sell signal on the still bullish on the weekly chart. Pending sell signal on the daily chart. Could still stay above the trending dots, but going through that bottoming phase, right? Just takes time for the ship to get turned around. 2-week chart still not even flipped bullish yet. It was pending a buy signal earlier in the 2-week candle, so could have a buy signal this week or next week. There's been pending buy signal, so that's PayPal. It was pending a buy signal, right? Pending, right? What else? All right, let's get in the chart requests because Gotta save some time over here. Let's go back to the chart requests. All right, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What do we got? What's the first one? PayPal. Yep. Yeah, we covered it. Covered Cardano. Possible. We had bullish divergence. Get back above the downward trend line, back above the trending dots, and a possible pending buy signal in the near future. Could all happen in the near future. People are getting very, very bullish yesterday. Very, very bearish yesterday. People are getting very, very bearish over on Bitcoin, altcoins. Told you the bull run was over, etc., etc. I saw all the comments, right? You got it, Rose. I know I have it on here somewhere. People ask about it. Rose. There we go. Yep, it's on here. Yeah, I think that I can't remember. Is this an eyeball test or not? Target 1, target 2. I'm in long. Is it leading the way? I wouldn't say it's leading the way. There's other ones that led the way, but it's leading the way on some of the altcoins. The other altcoins are lagging, right? So some of them already led the way, but some of the ones that are still lagging, you could say that's leading the way, right? Bullish divergence, possible higher low. We've been covering it. Last buy signals were down here, and target one, oh, it hasn't hit the fourth target yet. I can't remember if I mapped this out for real or not. Looks pretty close. Eyeball test anyway, so we'll just leave it at that. What else? What else? Yeah. Oh, okay. There we go. Diego. On KuCoin. Okay. Thank you for specifying. Looks like I already have it on the chart. So let's just take a look at it. Yeah, not yet. Right? Not yet. There's no bullish divergence, right? Looks like we covered it back here on that breakout buy signal, and that was a massive move up to the upside. There was it was getting overbought with a reverse candle, 56% correction. There was bearish divergence. Not yet, right? I don't know. Not seeing a breakout yet. You could probably draw it out like this, right? So there's possible room to the downside still. There is no bullish divergence. Still below the trailing dots. Still below the downward trend line, etc., etc., etc. So yeah, for me, it's not a buy for me, right? Not a buy for me. This is probably even a possible fake out to the upside. Came all the way back down. So just readjusted over there like that. What else? Late to the party, 9:37. Yeah, usually I don't take late requests. And usually we're hoping for all of the details over here. If it's crypto or stock, should I reward bad behavior? Is it bad behavior? Fat. It's getting oversold. Now there's a reversal candle. No bullish divergence though. No bullish divergence. It is hugely down. Can you chart off on Coinbase? Oh, we got 2 requests on that. Okay. 2 requests. All right. Since we got 2 and you put Coinbase, Matthew, I think I'll do it. I think I'll do it. So yeah, fat. Maybe it's because they're merging or whatever. Who knows? I don't know if that's going to impact the coins or not. But still trying to find bottom over here. Still trying to find bottom. Yeah. So it was probably looking like that, right? It was probably looking like that. Looks like it was starting to break out and then dumped hard. Woo! Welcome to crypto. Welcome to altcoins. Holy moly guacamole. That's a pretty big move up, followed by a pretty big move down, right? So is it over? I don't know. All right. Let's look for it. Let's look for a okay, and then on Coinbase. Okay, there it is. Yep. No bullish divergence as of yet. No pending buy signal yet. Still below the trailing dot. Still bearish on the daily chart. Still below this downward trend line, right? Maybe more aggressive downward trend line. But yeah, still in a downward trend. Could this be the bottom wick? Sure. But that's guessing, right? That is guessing. So I'm not in the business of guessing or catching falling knives since we use actual real money and not simulated demo accounts. Yes, I test stuff on demo accounts, but it, short term, I like to put real money behind it. So there you go. There you go. That is uh elf elf.im. Never even heard of it. Never even heard of it. I can't keep up with you kids on all the altcoins out there. There's so many of them. Meme coins, all that stuff. You young whippersnappers. Maybe you're older than me. I don't know, Matthew. How we doing? Should we call it at 41 minutes? How we doing on likes? I don't even have to ask the YouTubers. They're so good at smashing the like button and putting in comments and all that stuff. I appreciate them. But 9 likes out of 526 viewers on the Twitter X app. Ugh, not good. Not good. Not good at all. Yeah, so I think we'll probably call it there. Let's see. Let's get back. What else? What else? What else? Anything else jumps out? Mm, Piton. Nope. Coinbase. Yeah, still bullish. Still bullish. Let's look at the weekly chart on it. Yep, still bullish on the weekly chart. The last weekly buy signal was back here at $85. Massive, massive, right? Even from the weekly chart, currently still up 200%. G-Rod, you got it. You got it. A little behind, but thanks. You got it. I think we'll call it. Got some things got to do over here. Got a lot on my plate. Trying to get things figured out. A lot of things to catch up. Oh, by the way, the fridge situation. So I think we're gonna call it here. Just want to say thanks, everyone. I appreciate all of you who actually did smash the like button, most of the YouTubers. And I appreciate all of your support. And we'll continue to sniper the markets together to the best of our ability. And with that, hope you have a good rest of your day. And we will see you tomorrow. And help me, help you, help me. Thank you. And talk to you later. Adios.